Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Honda StepWagon. It has 66,232 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It comes with 2 front doors, a rear sliding door, and a rear hatch as well. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. It comes with 106,615 kilometers. The miles again is 66,232. All right, we'll go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. All right. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. Thank y'all for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.